Hello everyone, I am Huma from Raval Convent School, and today we will discuss our next poem, that is Introduction to the Songs of Innocence, written by William Blake. William Blake, born 28 November 1957 in London, England, and he died 12 August 1827 in London, England. He was 69 years old. In early years, he began his artistic career at 10 years old when his father sent him to the best drawing school in London. In adult life, he always worked as an engraver and professional artist. He was very poor, especially later in life. He always felt rich in spirit. The poem is lyrical. The speaker is a piper. The poet sees a child in the sky upon a cloud. This child is born an embodiment of innocence, as he is young, and the inspiration behind poetry as he changes the shepherd to play, sing and write. After hearing the music, the child asks the shepherd to drop his pipe and sing the words of the song. After enjoying the lyrics, the child tells the shepherd to write in a book that all may read the song he has created. So he sits down, makes a pen from the material at hand, and begins to write, "My happy song, every child may joy to hear." So now let's start the reading of the poem. Piping down the valleys wild, piping song of pleasant glee. On a cloud I saw a child, and he laughing said to me, "Pipe a song about a lamb." So I piped with merry cheer. Piper piped that songs again, so I piped, he wept to hear. Drop the pipe, the happy pipe, sing the songs of happy cheer. So I sang the same again, while he wept with joy to hear. Piper, sit thee down and write in a book that all may read. So he vanished from my sight, and I plugged a hollow reed. And I made a ruler pen, and I stained the water clear, and I wrote my happy song, every child may joy to hear. So here the poetic device that is used is annotation, in which the piper is a tube like an instrument. A hollow reed is a marsh plant. Here it is used as a pen. So in this poem, the speaker is a shepherd who is happily playing his pipe through the valleys. He sees a child on a cloud. The child tells him to pipe a song about a lamb. When he plays the music melodiously, the child sheds tears of joy and asks him to sing his song of happy cheer. The child then tells the narrator to write the song in a book so that all may read his song. Then the child vanishes from his sight. The piper plucks a hollow reed and makes a pen. He uses water as his ink and writes his songs of happiness for children. So, what we have seen in this poem? In this poem, the poet envisions himself as a shepherd who sees a child on a cloud. How is it possible to see a child on a cloud? The possible answer is that this shepherd is not an ordinary one. He is a visionary. Here the poet has used the symbol of child, which refers to angel or God. And the child tells him to play the song specifically about a lamb. In the poem of William Blake, lamb symbolizes both Jesus Christ and child. So an ordinary, extraordinary shepherd can see an angel or God in the sky. This angel child gives him a message from God about giving children a voice, about writing their simple joys. This poem is a lyrical. It consists of 5 Quatrains. A quatrain is a type of stanza consisting of 4 lines. The rhyme scheme of the first and fourth stanza is ABAB, and the rhyme scheme of the second, third, and fifth stanza is ABCB. That's all in this video. I hope you all understand the poem Introduction to Song of Innocence. Thank you and bye for now.